is not named variety names. First one is square knot. Second one is reef knot. Otherwise, means knot. Our daily life activities most useful this knot. I will learn for you step by step. I will request you not to forget to subscribe, share, comment this video. Almost I will publish. There are about 600 knot from this knot master channel. Let's go the lesson. First of all, we have to find like this rope. Then simple turn round and my right hand in, keep left hand in, then right hand in, turn, finally pull a knot, otherwise reef knot.